Welcome to the Domus lighting stand here at the Sydney Home Show. Come with me and I'll show you around. I'm going to show you our brand new downlight range. This is a Cell series range, which is completely modular. We brought it out basically so it's user friendly, not only for the homeowners, but for architects, for designers. The beauty of this range is that it's completely dimmable. Okay, you switch it on, switch it off. I can hold the button in, I can dim them down to my required level, and I can dim them up to my required level. We've got another range that is new to Domus, not new to the industry, but new to Domus, and that's our exterior wall light range. Ladies and gentlemen, we do this in a multitude of colors, multitude of styles, adjustable, fixed, twin adjustable, twin fixed, up, down, and one of the more popular colors, which is copper. So that's a real copper. The beauty of copper, as we all know, is that it will weather out in the front of the garden, in the back of the garden. It'll get a nice sort of green tinge to it. So one of the great things about this range too, when we use an LED lamp, is that we're going to get an instant startup. So when we're turning them off and on, they're an instant startup. They also can be dimmable as well, depending on your situation or your application. The beauty of this range, ladies and gentlemen, is that you get this wonderful effect on the wall. And we've tried to simulate that with a bit of wallpaper, which looks like an external brickwork. Okay, a little bit more of a modern style. We get into our block series, which comes in 2 sizes, 3 different colors. So you can have white, black, silver. You can have 2 different color temperatures, being warm white and white, to suit your application. So as you can see now, with those other lights around them off, you really get the effect that these wall lights can do for your home. So one other thing, ladies and gentlemen, that I want to show you is our new Magneto range. We're the only person in Australia that's got this technology on board, and it works with electromagnetic induction. Once I plug this fitting into the housing, it will then illuminate like this one is here. Basically, these lights will operate underwater, water in them, any dirt or any other substance or any foreign objects inside of the fitting. So gone are the days, ladies and gentlemen, where you've got an in-ground light that's going to stop working with dirt, moisture or water in it. Thanks for visiting us here at the Domus lighting stand at the Sydney Home Show. I hope to see you down here soon. If you need anything, please contact us on www.domuslighting.com.au. Have a good day.